Pacific region. The Pacific region is one of the 9 regions America is divided into. The Pacific contains 5 states: Alaska, California, Hawaii, Oregon, and Washington. Alaska. Alaska is the largest state of the United States, located northwest of the U.S. Because of its frigid climate, this tundra remains the least densely populated of all the states, with half of the about 700,000 residents living within it. The largest city in Alaska. California. Attractions are numerous and diverse. Whether you enjoy cities, mountains, forests, or oceans, the state of California offers more variety than any other state in the U.S. If you love glamour, Hollywood is the place for you. The San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge should be seen up close and personal. Yellowstone National Park should also be viewed for its majesty. Hawaii. Honolulu has a variety of great attractions, many of which you've already heard of. Looking for a place to sit back and relax? That's Waikiki Beach. The stunning clear waters and beauty will just take your breath away. After this, you'll be the one sharing your adventures, pictures, and marvelous experience. Oregon. Oregon is located on the Pacific coast, in the far northwest corner of the country. Oregon is known for its diverse scenic views, like Mount Hood, the tallest point in Oregon, at 11,249 feet. If you like agriculture, the valley of the Willamette River is the place for you. The valley is also home to 8 of the most populous cities. This is another great chance: Washington. If you would like to see Washington cities, come to the hub of Washington, Seattle. The 14-mile Burt Gilman Trail takes walkers, runners, cyclists, and skaters from Seattle to Kenmore. The Cascade Loop Scenic Byway circles the heart of Washington. This 400-mile byway includes a little bit of everything. If you love the great outdoors, we've got plenty of places where you can enjoy them.